Hello, today we will guide you through how to use command mode in Wispr Flow. To get started, open the Wispr Flow app on your computer. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure the app is fully launched and ready to use. This is important because command mode works through Wispr Flow, so having it open first ensures it can listen for your input and respond correctly when you begin speaking. Once Wispr Flow is open, the next step is to open Microsoft Word. You can use a new blank document or an existing file depending on what you want to work on. The main idea here is to have a place where you can immediately test how command mode behaves while dictating or giving spoken instructions. Word is a simple environment for this because you can clearly see the results as they appear on the page. With both apps open, you're ready to use command mode. Press the command key for Wispr Flow and then begin speaking. As you talk, Wispr Flow will listen for your voice input and process it using command mode. This allows you to interact more efficiently without relying entirely on typing. If you're demonstrating this for the first time, it can help to speak clearly and at a steady pace so the app can interpret your words more accurately. As you use command mode, keep your microphone positioned well and try to work in a quiet environment. That can make a big difference in recognition quality. If the response is not what you expected, pause briefly. Then try again a little more slowly or with clearer pronunciation. Small adjustments like that often improve the results right away. It's also a good idea to watch the screen while you speak so you can confirm that Wispr Flow is responding in the way you want. Seeing the output in Microsoft Word makes it easier to understand how the feature works and whether your command or spoken input has been captured correctly. And that's all there is to it. Open Wispr Flow, open Microsoft Word, then press the Wispr Flow command key and start speaking to use command mode. Once you've tried it a few times, the process becomes quick and natural, making it easier to work hands-free and stay focused on what you want to say.